The holidays are feeling a lot less merry in New York City, due in part to the coronavirus pandemic. The numbers of sick are rising. Lines for COVID testing stretch down the block, and entertainment escapes like Broadway shows are being shut down again.
It is upon us. That winter surge is in full force, and I believe it's going to get even stronger and more virulent, and we are in for a rough ride this winter season.
COVID-19 cases have exploded in New York and are now hitting some of their highest levels yet. On Friday, the state reached an unfortunate record. More than 21,000 citizens tested positive for the virus in the span of just a single day.
Okay, other side.
That was higher than at any point in the entire pandemic until the next day, Saturday, when the state broke that record again with nearly 22,000 citizens testing positive. State officials say every New Yorker 5 years of age and older should get vaccinated immediately if they're not already. And if it's been 6 months since their last vaccine dose, they should go in for a booster shot for added protection against the coronavirus, especially with the new Omicron variant, which scientists say is able to more easily infect people whose older vaccine doses may be weakening inside their bodies. Mayor Bill de Blasio says the unvaccinated are far and away the biggest spreaders of COVID-19, and he's urging more private businesses to follow his mandate and push their employees to get vaccinated.
The private sector mandate has to be implemented aggressively as a way to blunt the impact of Omicron and limit it so we do not need to go to shutdown or restriction.
Well, as coronavirus numbers are continuing to climb higher and higher, some are questioning whether or not the show should go on New Year's Eve at Times Square. Last year, as we remember, Kaidi, the Times Square New Year's Eve celebration had to be canceled because of the pandemic. This year, it is still going forward, at least for the time being. However, officials say that could change. The celebration is 2 weeks away, and if numbers continue to get out of control and we keep breaking records every day, you'd hate to see it shut down, but officials might be forced to do that at Times Square.